Welcome to Rover YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to create a random password generator using Microsoft Access. Actually, this is a very easy or a simple project, but I think this will helpful to you to understand how to make or how to create random password generator using Microsoft Access. Actually, here, here I use small VBA call to generate random passwords, and the passwords will generate or show you as a message. So before go to the video, I want to tell you please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So let's go to the video. So I want to create a blank database first. So therefore I click on the blank database. Then I want to rename my database as random password. So this is the database name, and I'm going to choose location to save my database. So I select desktop. After that I'm going to click on create button. Now my database is okay. Database is created. Database name is random password. So I don't want I don't want to create a table. Therefore I close the table, but I want to add a form. So I select blank form from the create ribbon, create tab, blank form. Then I want to save my form as frm, just say password, then press OK. Now form is okay. Now here this is the code I used to create this program. So what should I do next? So next one is I want to create a module. Then I want to paste this code to my module. So copy, then go to the design of your form. Then you want to access the Microsoft Access VB for Microsoft Access, VB window. Therefore I'm going to enter the code builder here. Choose the code builder and press OK. Now we are in VBA window. So here I want to create a module, new module. So I click on the insert. I click on the insert, and I'm going to click on the module. Then I'm going to paste my code. So this is the code you should paste to your module. So I want to keep the name of module as it is. Then I'm going to save my module. Yes, I save the module. Then close the VBA window, or move to the what we call Access database. Then form header. I want to name my label as password generator. Password generator. Then Let's add a color. Then I want to add a button. Drag the button. Then I change my button's caption to a password. Yes, now I want to add a small code to this button. So this is the code. My button name is btn generate password. So it is the button name. So here I'm going to rename the button name. Now I click on the button and build event, then select code builder. So under the button generate password, I have to insert the code under the click event. Now I'm going to copy this code, paste. Now this is the password. This is the code for the control, button control. Now let's go to the access window. Now let's check whether the our program is work or not. I'll click on the password. You see, once I click on the password, it gives me a password for me. So this is the password, one password give from this program. So let's click again. So this is the second password. It is totally different from the first one. So likewise, just click one more time. Yes, this is the third password generated by the system. So you can use this method to create passwords for your day-to-day needs, and you can use simply access plus VBA to do this. So try to do this yourself, and I think it will helpful to you. Again, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.